Yes, sir.
So, hi Divyang, how are you?
I'm fine.
Divyang, could you give a brief introduction to your audience?
Hi, myself Divyang Kumar. I am from Faridabad. I have completed my BBA in computer from DAV Centenary College in Faridabad. I recently developed my skills in SAP software for going for a financial field, and also developed my soft skills. And that's all.
What are the opportunities after pursuing BBA? In which respective field we can make our career?
There is a lot of opportunity after BBA. There is a kind of business opportunity and manager level in a MNC company, and there is a financial field also from BBA student come from financial field also, and there are a lot of opportunity in financial field also and corporate field also.
What inspired you to pursue this respective degree? Why not other degrees? We already have many degrees. Why only BBA?
In our 11 12th, I have interest in a financial field and go with a BBA degree and become a financially make a good financial employee.
Will you be a servant after having degree or will you start your own?
I have a plan. I do for a 5-year job. Then after I open my own business in any kind of business. I not plan any kind of business.
Is there anyone in your family who is already having any ancestral business or family business?
It's my father have doing both job and business at a time.
May I know what kind of business you are having?
They provide a company for a parts. It is called a vendor for a company, and they provide a parts for a motors parts.
Have you taken your business online so far?
I not think for online. I not decided for going for online.
As you are pursuing BBA degree and you are already mature, have you not thought about now this time we need to appear online if you want to survive? What is the use of your BBA degree?
But my father not come interfere for me to go for my business. They running his own business personally
Will
at
you
a part
trade?
time.
Will you trade or manufacture?
Basically, I have a trading only, trading of a part.
In the future,
Yes.
I am asking about your future. Will you trade, manufacture? What will you do? Or you will provide your services?
I will go for a trade in a future.
Okay. What is one skill you wish you had learned earlier in life?
It is for English speaking communication.
What are the skills required for a BBA student?
BBA student have required a public speaking, has a lot of public speaking and a good communication for a BBA student, have wealthy for a future and go for a corporate world to make a public dealing for a foreign clients, and in a marketing field have a only for a foreign clients. You can deal for a foreign clients only.
Have you ever delivered any pitch about a service or product? Because you are a student of BBA, I think as far as I know it is really important for a BBA student, they have to deliver the pitch as much as in their life. Because they have to pitch their service and product. So have you ever delivered any pitch in your life?
So not deliver any pitch.
Why have you not got such an opportunity till now?
Sir, I have a plan for a future, but not tell in front of public.
Do you think your college is just providing you degree, they are not having some practical knowledge they can give you exposure of being a BBA student, like what a BBA student does in her life?
Sir, BBA.
Means they are just giving you degree, a theoretical degree they are giving you, but the things a BBA student will do in the future, they are not giving exposure to you. That in future you are, suppose right now we are giving exposure, same thing you are going to face But now we are giving you a chance. We are creating such situation for you. You will be asked some tough questions.
Sir,
Okay, we can move to the next question. It's okay. If you could take a break from studies for a year, what would you do?
sir, I do for a father business to join our father business for a trading and knowledge about our motors parts.
What are your plans after graduation? Are you pursuing graduation, right?
Yes.
So what are your plans after graduation? Are you
Sir, after graduation, I decided for MBA, for master degree pursuing, and then after I go for a in a in a foreign country for settle in a foreign country.
why foreign countries? Why not India?
Sir, I have in our mind there is in our family there is in my cousin are going for a foreign. That's I have go.
Do you think there is no scope for MBA holders in India?
Sir, there is a lot of scope, but there
Then
have
why are you moving to foreign?
sir, India have not make a good package in India for MBA student. That's why I go for a foreign.
Okay. What package do you expect?
In India, there is a average package of 4 lakh, 3 lakh.
4 lakh, 3 lakh. No, I think it is from a very unreputed university. If you are from a reputed university, they will give you a high package. If I'm not wrong.
Sir, and not paying any huge amount of fees for a reputed college and university. So I go for a small amount and go for join a MBA degree.
Okay, so let's wrap up the session with your Man Ki Baat. Whatever you want to speak to the audience, just speak. You want to speak to the world. But don't abuse, okay?
I think in a person have a good confidence level, have a good confidence level, and they have a good communication for their future, and they deal with anyone confidently and go and grow in her life and upgrade day by day. You can upgrade your skills in your field. There is IT field or a finance field. You can upgrade, you can learn every day and every day. Not you do not think there are not. I have learned lot of things and not learn anything for anyone. You can learn day by day and lots of learn.
Let's put your hand together.